Hello and welcome to Nature's Pharmacy. Do you suffer from yeast infections? Are you looking for natural remedies to help treat your yeast infection? In this video, I will be sharing with you the top 11 home remedies that guarantee to neutralize your yeast infection and get relief fast. It is important to note that first, keeping the genital area clean and dry is important in preventing the spread of yeast infections. Second, wear breathable clothing such as cotton and avoid wearing tight-fitting clothing. Tight clothing with materials such as nylon can trap heat and moisture, which lead to even worse yeast infection. So stay away from fitness clothes. Third, avoid douching because it can disrupt the natural balance of bacteria and yeast in the vagina. It will also cause an overgrowth of harmful bacteria. With these tips in mind, let's get to the home remedies to treat the yeast infection. 1. Yogurt. A beneficial bacteria called Lactobacillus acidophilus found in yogurt can help restore the balance of bacteria and yeast in the vagina. To use, dip yogurt in tampon and insert vaginally or freeze yogurt in the shape of ice cube, then insert it. 2. Garlic. Garlic can be used to treat a yeast infection. It contains an antifungal called allicin and ajoene which stop the growth of fungal. To use, crush a fresh garlic clove and apply topically or insert into the vagina. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is acidic in nature, help restore the pH balance of the vagina. Apple cider vinegar contain acetic acid which stop the growth of bacteria and fungi, including Candida, the yeast responsible for yeast infections. To use, mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a cup of warm water and drink once a day or apply directly to the infected area. 4. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antifungal properties called Melaleuca alternifolia that help treat vaginal yeast infections. It works by disrupting the cell membrane of the fungus, ultimately killing it. It is very effective against Candida, the yeast responsible for yeast infection. To use, mix a few drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil and apply to the affected area. 5. Coconut oil. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, a fatty acid that has antifungal properties to fight yeast infections. To use, apply coconut oil directly to the affected area. 6. Oregano oil. Oregano oil contains carvacrol, a compound that can help fight yeast infections. To use, apply oregano oil directly to the affected area. 7. Probiotics. Probiotics can help restore the balance of bacteria and yeast in the vagina which prevent overgrowth of yeast. To use, take a probiotic supplement daily or consume yogurt or kefir, which is one of the best probiotic, twice daily. 8. Calendula. Calendula is an herb that contains antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties that can help treat yeast infection. Calendula help treat yeast infection by reducing inflammation, itching, redness from yeast infection, soothe the skin and promote healing. To use, steep calendula in hot water, strain and apply the liquid directly to the affected area. 9. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is a natural remedy for urinary tract infections. The idea is that cranberry juice help restore the natural acidity of the vagina which lead to stopping the growth of Candida, the yeast responsible for yeast infection. To use, drink a glass of cranberry juice twice daily. 10. Baking soda. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, help restore the natural pH balance of the vagina, and it has antifungal properties that kill Candida, the yeast responsible for the infection. To use, mix 1/2 cup of baking soda into the warm bathtub and soak for up to 30 minutes or make a paste with baking soda and water, and apply directly to the infected area. 11. Diet. Eating a healthy diet can help to balance the levels of bacteria and yeast in the body. We hope this video has been helpful in treating your yeast infection. Remember to consult with your doctor if you have any questions or concerns. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.